Hello guys, hello. Good morning. Good morning to you all. Good morning. Okay guys, now stand up. Stand up. We're going to dance our emotion song. If you're happy, okay? So, everyone stand up. If you're happy, clap your hands. If you're happy, clap your hands. If you're happy, clap your hands, clap your hands. If you're happy, clap your hands. If you're angry, stamp your feet. If you're angry, stamp your feet. If you're angry, stamp your feet, stamp your feet. If you're angry, stamp your feet. Angry. If you're scared, say oh no. Oh no! If you're scared, say oh no. Oh no! If you're scared, say oh no, say oh no. If you're scared, say oh no. Oh no! Sleepy. Oh, let's take a nap. If you're sleepy, take a nap. If you're sleepy, take a nap, take a nap. If you're sleepy, take a nap. If you're happy, clap your hands. If you're happy, clap your hands. If you're happy, clap your hands, clap your hands. If you're happy, clap your hands. Very good, guys. Very good. Okay. So, how are you today? How are you today? Happy, angry, tired, sleepy, scared, hungry? Me? I am happy. See? Happy. Good job. Okay, guys. Now, today we are going to review our parts of the day. Okay? Remember, the parts of the day were morning, afternoon, evening, and night. So this is afternoon, evening, morning, and night. Okay, today we are going to see the flashcards. Okay, morning, the sun is waking up. Yes, the sun is waking up, so it's morning. Okay, the sun is up, so it's afternoon. Afternoon. Here, the sun is going to sleep, so it's evening. Evening. And this one, we go to sleep. It's night. Night. Okay? Morning. Afternoon, evening, and night. Okay, now what's this? The sun is up, so it's afternoon. Good job. This one, the sun is going to sleep, so it's evening. Very good. This one, no more sun. We have the moon. And we go to sleep, so it's night. Night. And finally, we have the sun wakes up. Morning. Now, it's morning. Yes. Now, it's morning. So, good morning. Okay. Good morning to you all. Now, guys, today it's Father's Day. Yes, it's Daddy's Day today. It's Daddy's Day. And so let's sing our Daddy song. I have a very special friend, and Daddy is his name. D-A-D-D-Y, 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 and Daddy is his name. See, Daddy. I have a very special friend, and Daddy is his name. A-D-D-Y, 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 and Daddy is his name. I have a very special friend, and Daddy is his name. D-D-Y, 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 and Daddy is his name. I have a very special friend, and Daddy is his name. D-Y, 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 and Daddy is his name. I have a very special friend, and Daddy is his name. 4 times. Why? 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 And Daddy is his name. I have a very special friend, and Daddy is his name. And Daddy is his name. Okay, so what are the things that we say to Daddy on his day? What do we say to Daddy? We say, Happy Father's Day. Repeat, Happy Father's Day. Very good. We can also say, I love you. I love you. Very good. We can give him our heart. Very good. We can spell out L-O-V-E. Love, love, love for Daddy. We can hug. We can hug Daddy. Yes, we can hug Daddy. We can also kiss. Very good. We can kiss Daddy. Good job. Okay, now we're going to read a book about a very special Daddy. Okay? Okay, guys, this is the book called My Dad. My Dad, not my dad. Okay? By Anthony Browne. Okay, let's start. Okay. He's all right, my dad. See? Daddy, he's okay. Yes, he's okay. My dad isn't afraid of anything. He's not scared of anything. Even the big, bad wolf. See? He's not afraid. He said, go! Okay? Now, he can jump right over the moon and walk on a tightrope. Look over here. Without falling off. Wow. What a dad. Okay. He can wrestle with giants. See, he's wrestling with giants. Or win the father's race on sports day easily. He's all right, my dad. See, he won. Yes, he won. He was running and he won. He's okay. Yes, he's okay. Oh, my dad can eat like a horse. Oh, no, look at that. And he can swim like a fish. Yes, he can swim like a fish. He's as strong as a gorilla and as happy as a hippopotamus. He's all right, my dad. He's okay. See, the hippopotamus, he's very happy. Wow, my dad is as big as a house. Look, he's as big as a house. And as soft as my teddy. See the teddy? Teddy dad. Teddy dad, like a teddy bear. He's as wise as an owl. See, the owl, he's very smart. And daft as a brush. See? Look at the brush. And look at him. Look at his hair. See his hair? Oh, wow. My dad's a great dancer, yes. And a brilliant singer. See, he's singing. He's fantastic at football. See, he's playing football. And he makes me laugh a lot. See, he's making funny faces. Look at him. I love my dad. And you know what? Do you know what? Let's see what happens. He loves me. Yes. And he always will. See? They're hugging. They're giving big hugs to each other. They're giving big hugs to each other. So, this was the end of the book, My Daddy. I hope you liked it. See? There were lots of hugs and lots of love. Yes, lots of love and hugs. So, today, tell your daddy, Happy Father's Day. Give him a hug and a kiss. And you say, I love you, Daddy. I love you, Daddy. Okay? Bye-bye, guys, and Happy Father's Day. Bye.